Hey everyone, in this video we are gonna cover the drag and drop list widget in Flutter. Let's get started. Here I have a stateful widget and in the build method I'll return reorderable list view.builder. It is looking for an item builder, item count and on reorder. In the item builder I'll pass context and index in the parameter. For item count we need to make a list. For that here I'll make a list of string type with the name items and inside this list I'll paste some text. Now in the item count, I'll pass our list length and then on reorder is a main property which will reorder the items of our list. Here I'll pass a function with the name on reorder. To make this function, I'll press here and then tap create method. You can see it has created on reorder method outside the build method. We'll cover this function later. For now, I'll go inside the item builder and return a list style. In the title, I'll pass it a text widget and then I give it our items list with index. If I save it, you can see it has thrown an error that say every item of list view must have a key. To fix that, we need to use the key property. Here I'll pass value key with item list of index. In this way, each item will have a unique key. If I save it, this time you can see it has rendered our list perfectly. Then I'll wrap the list style inside container. And here we also need to pass the key, so I'll give the same key here as well. And then in decoration, I'll give it a color and border radius. Now for spacing between items, I'll give it a margin of 16 from top. If I save it, now it looks perfect. And then I'll go to our on reorder function. You can see it has taken old index and new index in the parameter. These two values tell us from where the item was dragged and where it is dropped. Inside this function, I'll use setState. After that, here I'll write a condition. If new index is greater than old index, this means the item is being moved downward in the list. So I subtract 1 from the new index to avoid incorrect positioning. Next, I'll remove the item from the list using old index and store it in a temporary variable with the name item. Finally, I'll insert the same item back into the list at the update new index. If I save it and try to drag Flutter from top and drop it at the last index, you can see now Flutter has moved perfectly to the last position. And if I drag it from bottom and drop at the second position, this also worked. Lastly, I want to change the background color of tile. Right now it is in the white color, but I want to make it transparent. For that, we have proxy decorate property. Inside it, I'll use material widget with transparent color. And in the child, I'll give it the child. Once I save it and try to drag an item, you can see now the background color is transparent. That's the reorderable list view builder in Flutter. I have dropped the source code link in description.